In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw money from Alpha Futures. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to alphafutures.com. Once you're inside of here, you'll simply need to log into your account until you get into this page right here where you'll see your dashboard over here. Once from here, you'll need to go over to the left-hand menu and go down to where it says payout down here. Once you get inside of payout, you'll be able to choose from either trading payout, affiliate payout, alpha creator, or payout history. Now from here, you'll need to choose the specific one that is suitable for you. So if you're a trader, you'll need to choose the trading payout. If you're an affiliate to Alpha Futures, you'll of course need to choose the affiliate payout. Or if you're a creator that is hired by Alpha Futures, you'll need to click Alpha Creator over here. Once from here, you'll need to go over to the choose account ID, and then you'll just need to choose the specific ID of your account, and it should be listed right here. From here, you'll need to add in the payment method and either choose the ACH, the Wire, the Swift, Vice, or Rise account. From here, you'll also need to add in how much you want to withdraw from your account over to your bank account, and you'll need to add a reason for the transaction. Once you've done all that, you'll simply need to click Submit. And then from here, it will go into a processing time of about 48 business hours. From here, you'll get an email that is saying that your money will come in for the next couple of business days, and then the money will hit your account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!